Angular version 7 Beta 4 has just been released yesterday. In this video we will see how to install it in our computer. This assume that you already have Node and NPM installed. If you don't, please check out the link in the description to get started. Now to start things off, open up the browser. We are going to use the Node Package Manager to easily install Angular. Once we are here, what we have to do is to install the next Angular version. To do so, click on the install command. Open up a terminal and type in ngv to check out the current Angular version. As you see, we have the version 7 Beta 3 installed. Now we are going to install Angular version 7 Beta 4. If you are on Mac or Linux, do not forget sudo to allow write permission. Then add the next argument for Angular 7 and the G flag to install globally on your machine. Now you should be all set. Type in ngv to check the current version. Beautiful. Angular 7 Beta 4 is ready to be used. If you liked the video, subscribe to encourage me. See you next time.